Oh, neat.
Is that working in your video? Or?
Yeah. It's like 3D. Comment tu dis pour
L'édition du Canada.
Will you like to see this discussion?
Parliament means that they're talking. And talking. And talking.
We as individuals can be part of that discussion if we choose to take that step. C'est important de faire valoir ton point de vue. When a member of parliament gets a letter from anyone, they assume that 100 other people think like you.
To encourage the Parliament of Canada in the streets of Canada.
Le Parlement, c'est là pour nous représenter.
C'est le Canada.
The sense that we're all Canadian, that we all belong together.
Working together.
Togetherness. La rue, les gens, nos opinions. Following leader, yeah, together we don't stop. People ready for discussion, on est tous Canadiens, on are the same. 40 below, the 40 above.
It is an absolutely gorgeous country from one end to the other.
L'intensité du paysage et de sa diversité et de pouvoir dire que ça nous appartient, tout ce pays-là.
This is our land. We have some areas that look as dry as the desert, and yet we have some lush green forests. Quand on avait les plaines, quand on avait les grosses montagnes avec la neige en haut.
This huge river system that connect the country.
These are the things of Mother Earth. Just take your veins and running in your arms and all through your body.
I think we've got to let the beauty of the land speak to us. Because it does speak.
Le respect de la nature, le respect de soi-même, le respect des différences.
People from everywhere.
Asia, Chinese, Indian, Chinese.
Respecting everybody.
Generosity.
C'est
Moi, mes enfants vont dans une école où il y a 70 pays représentés dans une école primaire.
The beauty of Canadian identity is that it's not tied to ethnicity.
So it's not like to be Canadian means one thing. I think it means a lot of things for a lot of different people.
It's in the little things I find, like walking on the street, and that you smile at someone and someone does actually smile back at you. L'éducation, accès à l'éducation pour tout le monde.
You know, because we're a country, it's a process. It's not a status quo like Canada is.
Les gens s'ouvrent les yeux au fait que tout ce qui arrive autour d'eux, c'est en train de créer de nouveaux Canadiens, une nouvelle façon de faire dans le Canada.
I feel inspiring to young generations. Key.
Quelle partie du corps serait le Canada?
I think Canada would be the legs.
Ben, j'aime autant être à la tête.
The brain is the most important. I would hope that Canada could be the eyes. Canada had to represent one body part in the whole entire world.
Canada would be the heart.
It's the heart.
The heart.
Canada is my heart.
But one heart, one love, one determination to try to make peace in the world. No matter what.
Peu importe quel est le but, c'est de bien travailler ensemble pour avoir un objectif commun, mais c'est surtout le comment.
Now we'll remember that we are living upon a turtle. Since we are all in one place,